idea is that when the forensic entomologist walks in, that person is a rock star. I mean, people sleep through the molecular biology and yawn when the ballistics guy comes in and talks. But when the forensic entomologist comes in and talks, every eye is on you. And there's just this insane curiosity that people have about bugs and how it is you can use bugs to determine how long a person's been dead. So, but the questions that we get asked, or that we're asked to try to think about with regards to insect evidence, are who was present during an event? In other words, so there's this old idea that when I walk over here and I touch this table, then I walk away. There's evidence left behind that I touched this table from me, and I take away evidence with me on my fingers that I touched this table. That's a trivial example, obviously, right? I mean, it's totally trivial. But on the other hand, it's basically kind of true. And that's what trace evidence is really all about. Well, bugs, you can carry away bug evidence. I'll show you some examples in a minute, which links you to a particular place. Or what was the origins or locations of the event? That is, the event could have occurred here, but then all that got moved over here. Is there bug evidence to link this with that? I'll show you something about that in a moment. Why insects are not present. So a very badly decomposed decedent is discovered, which normally would just be seething with insects of one sort or another, but there's not one. What does that mean? And that's really serious. I did a case like this in Sacramento about 15 years ago, where it was a welfare check, and the decedent was found on the couch as you just walked in the room. But as I looked down the hall to the window at the opposite end of the hall, the entire floor of the hall was covered with dead bugs. And why would that be? Just one glance at the decedent, no bugs. Toxins. This person had offed themselves with a binary, a really, really, really highly toxic binary toxin. And so the insects coming in initially to try to infest this guy got killed by that stuff. So I backed this all out. Said, guys, we better call hazmat, And so it was a fire department and Sac County Police.